Hey friends, if you encounter the VIA uncorrectable error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now, unlike it has been suggested across other websites and channels, I would let you know that it is a very difficult error to resolve. Now, here's what you can do. First of all, search for memory diagnostic in the Windows search bar and click on Windows Memory Diagnostic. Select Restart Now and check for problems. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to reset the computer because nothing else is working. We will have to reset the computer. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu and then go to the system tab and then select recovery in the right pane. Select reset PC. Select remove everything and then select cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.